Ayun, panoorin nga muna natin itong Soldier of Fortune ng ni Manny Carreño 14 years ago. Nag-aaral maggitara. Ayan panoorin nga natin. Ito, kagagaling niya ng Qatar ito ni Manny Carreño. Kakagaling lang ng Qatar. I've lived a life of the drifter, waiting for the day when I take your hand and sing a song that maybe you would say, come live with me and love me, and I would truly stay. But I feel I'm growing older, and the song that I've sung echoing the distance like the sound of a windmill going round. Guess I'll always be Soldier of Fortune. Anak ko po, nag-lead pa raw. May palid-lead pa Anak ko po, sumabit. Patay tayo sa'yo. Patay tayo sa'yo, Manny Carreño. Wala, sumasabit. Travelers and look for something new. The days are full, the nights were cold. Those days are dark, my eyes are seeing you standing in. Come to give me and love me, I will truly stay. But I feel I'm growing older. Older na talaga, growing older na. And the song that I've sung echoing the distance like the sound of a windmill going round. Guess I'll always be Soldier of Fortune. I can hear the sound of a windmill going round. Guess I'll always be Soldier of Fortune. Ba? May pa? May banat pa ng Temple of the King. Pero hindi na tinapos. So, practice lang po yan. Practice lang kasi. Hindi naman tayo talaga marunong naggumitara. Marunong may alam lang ng konti. Into the facts when the dark, remember them. When you're strong young man of your rising sun, going to the dead black moon. Ayun, dun na pala natapos. Ayun na. Ba, nagkaroon ng patalastas.
Summer makeup melting away? Dream of all-day matte perfection, fresh and hydrated.
Naku po. Naku po. Ayun na. Alright guys, hanggang dito na lang ang ating video.